Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a fillable PDF. For more information, visit our article, Best Ways to Create a Fillable PDF. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. What is a fillable PDF? A fillable PDF is a PDF file that can be edited without using any kind of PDF editing software. These PDFs can be opened, viewed, and edited by all the latest PDF viewers. One more thing to be noticed is XFA-based PDFs are accessible only on Adobe. These are the formats that are frequently used to edit or modify the data present in them. In other words, it is an electronic format that enables you to edit with ease. How to create a fillable PDF. 1. Adobe Acrobat DC. Adobe Acrobat DC is the leading software to work with PDF files. It helps to view, edit, and annotate with the PDF files easily. As this is synced to Adobe's Creative Cloud, you can access your data from anywhere and at any time. It provides a free trial version for a limited time. Firstly, visit the official site of Adobe Acrobat DC. Link provided in the description. Download and install the application on your computer. Launch the application, and click on the Tools option located at the top left. Then, you will find all the tools in the grid style. Click on the Prepare Form option. Present in the Forms and Signature section. After clicking on the Prepare Form option, it will redirect you to the Options page. Here, you will find three options like Single File, Scanner, and Create New, Single File. To import the PDF file that you want to create as a fillable PDF form. Scanner to scan and edit the document into a fillable PDF document. Create New to start creating the fillable PDF document from the scratch. Here, I'm choosing the Create New option. After choosing the Form option, you are redirected to the workspace. There on the top bar, you will find the tools required to create a fillable PDF. Whereas on the right side, you will find a dialog box, and from there you can modify or adjust the inserted fillable elements in the PDF document. After adding the fillable elements in the PDF, then a window will pop up. Choose the destination from that window. Then a window will pop up, and click on Save. That's it. 2. Wondershare PDFelement. Wondershare PDFelement allows you to create a fillable PDF within a short time. If you want to create a fillable PDF at a less price compared to Adobe Acrobat DC, then PDFelement is the best option for you. This is the best and easiest way to manage PDF files across desktop, mobile, and web. Visit the official site of Wondershare PDFelement. Link provided in the description. Download and install the application on your computer. Launch the application, and click on Open Files option. Then a window will pop up. Choose the file from that window and click on Open after importing the file. Click on Form option from the top menu. There, you will find a lot of options under that section. Options available in that section are like Add Text, Add Checkbox, Add Ratio Button, Add Combo Box, Add List Box, Add Push Button, Add Image, Add Digital Signature, and Recover Default Data in Form field. Use the options according to the need. Click on the More option. Then a drop-down list will open. Click on the Recognize Form option to highlight the fillable formats present in the document. You can edit and add the fillable elements in the document easily. After the completion of edit, click on the slider to preview to see how the fillable PDF looks. That's it. 3. Jotform. Jotform is the best online PDF tool that helps you to make a fillable PDF form easily. It has a very clean and decent user interface with all the tools and formats. It provides all the fillable elements as presets, so that it will be very easy for the user to insert and edit the preset. Jotform services are available for both free and paid. Visit the Jotform site. Link provided in the description. Download and install in your device. There you will find two options such as create a fillable PDF form and convert PDF to fillable form. Click on the Create option to start creating the fillable form. It will redirect you to the page where you find options like blank and import. Choose the blank option if you want to start creating the fillable PDF form from the scratch. Else, choose the import option if you already have a fillable PDF form. Here, I'm choosing the blank option by clicking on Create New PDF Form. Then you are redirected to the workspace of Jotform. There, on the middle of the window you will find the blank space to add the fillable format elements. Whereas on the left side you will find the elements to insert in the form. Just click on the elements to add and adjust to the required location using drag and drop option. After adding all the required fillable elements, click on the preview slider to have the preview of the PDF file. If you feel everything is fine, then click on Download option, and that's it. The PDF starts downloading automatically. That's it. 4. Sedja. Sedja is an online site to create a fillable PDF form online. You can avail all its basic features for free, and if you want to use the premium tools, then you have to upgrade the plan by signing up to Sedja. Visit the official site of Sedja's, link provided in the description. Fillable PDF and the interface will be displayed. There, you will find two options like Upload PDF file and Blank Document. Here, I'm choosing Start with a blank document option. Then you are redirected to the workspace of Sedja, and there you will find a blank space and elements like text, links, forms, images, sign, whiteout, annotate, shapes, and more are found on the top of that blank space. Just select the element and click on the blank space to add those anywhere on the document. And after adding, click on the Apply Changes option to save modifications done to the document. After clicking of Apply Changes option, it will redirect you to the download page. There you will find download option along with lot of other options to share the document directly from there itself. Click on the Download option to download the document to your computer. That's it. 5. Sedja PDF. Sedja PDF is another site that assists you in creating a fillable PDF form online. It provides a lot of tools to work with PDF files. Sedja PDF services are available in both free and premium versions. You can also download and use the desktop version. Visit the official site of Sedja PDF. Link provided in the description. Click on the Open File option. And then a window will pop up. Choose the file from that window and click on Open. After importing, you will find the interfaces appear on the screen. Click on the Form option located at the top menu. And then, you will find a lot of options under that section. By clicking on the document, few more options will be opened by clicking on the elements present in the document. After the completion of adding and editing the fillable elements, click on the Save option, located at the top left corner to download the file. That's it. 6. DocFly PDF. DocFly is one of the popular sites to create fillable PDF forms. It has millions of users across the world. This is all because of the services and tools provided to its users. It makes you edit the PDF files from anywhere with just a single click. Visit the DocFly site. Link provided in the description, and there you will find two options. Drag and drop your file here, or click to upload your file. Here I'm select the click to upload your file. A pop-up window will open. Select the file, and click on Open. Here double-click to open the file. On the top, you will find three options, such as Editor, Form Creator, and Organize. Click on the Form Creator option, and few more sub-options like Select Text, Text Field, Paragraph Field, Checkbox Field, Radio Field, etc. will be displayed. Use those options to create the fillable form. After completion of creating the fillable PDF, click on the Save option, located at the top. Then you will get the Export option. Click on it and it shows various options like Download, Print, Export to Dropbox, and Export to Google Drive to export the final PDF form. That's it. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get the more updated videos.